Pack rats, also known as wood rats, are rodents known for hoarding many small objects. Things like bottle caps, buttons, jewelry, and small kids' toys are all fair game as far as a pack rat is concerned. Like all rodents, pack rats can invade our homes, bringing disease, filth, and potentially other pests with them. So in this video, we'll show you how to identify and get rid of pack rats, so you can keep your home and the rest of your stuff free of these pests. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pack rat control, click the icon in the top right of the screen, or click the link in the description below. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Believe it or not, pack rats are actual rodents known for collecting small objects, and the term isn't just used to refer to hoarders. In some regions, these rodents are also called trade rats, because if they come across something new that they want, they may leave behind an older object and trade it for the new item. Pack rats look similar to rodents, growing to be about 12 to 15 inches in length, with the tail making up about half of this length. However, unlike other rats, the pack rat's tail can sometimes be bushy or furry, and the ears are actually quite large for a rat. One of the more common species, the white-throated wood rat, features gray to tan fur with a white underbelly. Pack rats are the bachelors and bachelorettes of the rodent world. They live alone in dens unless they're mating or raising young. The dens are usually made up of twigs, sticks, grasses, or whatever other material can be found. Pack rat dens are usually 3 feet tall with a 5-foot diameter. Pack rats are nocturnal, so they'll leave their dens in search of food and other treasure when night falls. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or find hot spots of activity. You'll need to look in and around the structure to make sure you're dealing with pack rats. Pack rats prefer to stay low to the ground, so you'll often find them and their nests outside on soil or inside on the ground floor. However, it's not unusual to find any activity on upper floors or the attic, as these rats can and will climb anything to get to where they want to be. When looking for pack rats, it may be easy to look out for their distinctive dens, but also keep an eye out for the usual signs of rodent activity: droppings, grease marks along the walls, and gnaw marks. Be sure to check your pantry or other food storage areas for clutter or if packages have been chewed through. If your pack rats are indoors, you may notice when shiny objects go missing. Look out for any small openings that pack rats can use to invade your home with. Remember that pack rats can fit through holes as small as a dime. Take note of any signs of activity you may have spotted, as you'll use this to direct your treatment. After identifying your pest and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE. Gloves are especially important when handling any trap, as this will prevent human scent from being left behind. Rodent control starts with sanitation, so go back and address any signs of trash or rotting organic matter you may have found. Wipe down appliances and shelving, and sweep away any dirt, dust, or crumbs. Be sure to clean only with water, and do not use any strong cleaners or bleach, as the strong scent may keep rodents away from the traps you'll soon set. Additionally, you'll also want to declutter in your garage, attic, or basement to remove any potential nesting or hiding spots that rodents could retreat to. Finally, store loose foods like cereals, nuts, and rice in airtight containers so rodents have zero access to food sources. By cleaning up around your house, you've already eliminated a major reason for rodents to stay: food and shelter. Once you've cleaned around your home, you'll need to use traps designed to make rodent control easy and effective, like easy set rat traps and pro glue trays. While rodenticide bait blocks are effective tools to control other rat species or house mice, it may not be an effective solution for pack rats. This is because of the pack rat's tendency to hoard the bait in its nest, taking longer to get control. Sometimes if the bait goes uneaten, when the pack rat moves, dies, or the den becomes otherwise unoccupied, the bait becomes a risk to any other wildlife that passes by. To effectively control pack rats on your property, it's best to stick to snap traps or glue traps, because pack rats are not as afraid of new objects in their surroundings, making them more likely to approach traps as opposed to other rodents. The Easy Set Rat Trap offers a clean and quick kill for those looking for a pragmatic approach. To set up an Easy Set Snap Trap, bait the trap's trigger plate and simply pull back on the upright bar until the trap locks into place. There are many foods that rodents are attracted to, but it's best to use something sticky that will make it harder for the rodent to lift from the trap. When set properly, any rodent that triggers the snap trap will be killed instantly. We also recommend you use pro glue trays as an additional method of trapping rodents. These traps are pre-baited with a peanut butter scent to lure rodents to its powerful and sticky glue. To set up pro glue trays, simply remove the trays from the package, pull the trays apart, and they're ready to place. The glue tray's flat design even allows it to be placed underneath furniture for more discreet trapping. We recommend you use both traps so you can cover more ground. Most households may need about 12 of each trap for effective control. Be sure to set traps about 5 to 10 feet away from each other where you've seen rodent activity. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you've applied control measures, the best way to stop pest activity is to make sure it can't happen. Once you've set your traps, it's time to seal any openings you may have found. This will prevent any more pack rats or other rodents from entering your home, and ensure the rodents already inside your home have no alternate food sources. Be sure to fix door and window screens and repair any door and window seals, as pack rats can squeeze through the smallest cracks your perimeter can provide. Seal any voids you've found with copper mesh, and tighter cracks with caulk. Pack rats will climb to get to where they want to be, so be sure to seal all openings from the ground to the roof, including inside the attic. It's important to avoid future pack rat infestations by maintaining an environment that's not conducive to rodent behavior. Eliminate food and water sources by keeping kitchens and bathrooms cleaned regularly. Continue to store loose foods in airtight containers, and continue to clean up clutter inside and outside so no rodent can establish itself on your property. Pack rats are small rodents that will invade homes in search of food, shelter, and shiny objects, but there are ways to control an infestation that's gone out of hand. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop pack rats from infesting your home, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.